Hi, this is me from Mimi's Paper Crafting. Welcome back to my channel, and welcome back to March Make a Journal 2026, where we are making a journal together well, not every single day, but most of March, based on a specific theme. Okay, mine is Taskmaster. So we've picked our theme, gathered our supplies, we've cut our pages, made our journal cover, and assembled our journal, and that was in the last video. And this velcros down and opens up, and I am now that, so if you didn't see me in the last video, all the videos are in a playlist down below. I told you when you put on hook and loop or velcro little closures, you let it sit or else it'll pull off. Well, now it's sat, and now I want to add the date of the journal in here. So let me pull out my stickers here. This bin of stickers has some put that away, has some letters in here, and I just want to spell out, here's a bunch of just loose letters. Let's see what we can do. I just want to spell out April because I am going to use this for April. Nope. Okay, moving on. I don't know what we're going to have. AP, nope, no R. Oh, here's an R. Did these match this one? Yes. So A. Oh, there's no P. Ah, boy. This should be fun, right? A, P, R, I, L. And are there numbers anywhere that I can put down 2026? Or 26. Something. I need a 2 and a 6, you guys. That'll match those letters. Those are too dark. Why am I always missing one? Well, I could use that as an I. And then the L, because why is there only one I? You see that? I'm going to use these. Not my favorite, but I have everything I need on there. Okay. And I'm not being like perfect of where I put everything. It's literally just going to go down. But I'm definitely using this for April. Okay, maybe I'll be a little bit perfect, you guys. Like I can't have it going super crooked. A little crooked wouldn't bother me, but super crooked would bother me. So A. And then we will move on to, because honestly, this is the first time I've been down here since I made this journal. AP. So we will move on then to the next part, but I realized that I never finished this. That's fine though. If you need to take a break from finishing it like I did, that is perfectly fine. And I'm going to use this lowercase l as the I because, like I said, there's only one I. Really weird. And I keep moving this. I just don't want it to be super crooked. And then 20. Just so I know it's 26. And of course the little thing didn't come out of the middle of the 6. There we go. Put that on somewhere. Okay. Okay, now we can close this up. And I did have one other thing that I forgot about for the cover. Where is it? Oh, here. This might be too big, and I was really looking forward to using it. TM. I think if I just glue it on the top, it should be fine, right? This is my journal. I can do whatever the fuck I want. But I need room for the little wax seal. That'll give it plenty of room. So let's just glue on. Are these stickers? I don't remember. You know where I got these at, guys? Oh my god. I got these in like I don't even know when. They're from Tuesday morning. That's how old these are. And like, and the 20, like the 10s. I got them like, I don't know. I don't remember when Tuesday morning closed, but this was like 2018, 2017. I got these. Yeah. I'm just going to go like so. So TM for Taskmaster. Great. Now we can move on. Let me clean up my stickers and it's different for me. Anyway, so we're going to pull out our ephemera. Now I'm using some of my ephemera, some of the stuff I cut out as tags and ephemera. So I have an egg shape here. Look at this little pretty. Look at how pretty that is. It's this weird paper I got in a Walmart scrap pack. I don't know if Walmart still does scrap packs, but it's like a little slightly metallic and it's like pre-crinkled. Like it's so good, but this is an egg. So that will be a piece. I did glue these together, you guys, but on camera, but it was paused. So these are little clipboards. And I was saying that I just use scraps. I didn't specifically pick any colors. I literally just used scraps. This was from my scrap bin. It's like a textured brown, light gray. And this, when I looked down, was on the floor. So I just grabbed it because it was on the floor. And I was like, okay, I'm just going to grab that and use that because it's fine. And then this copper was also a scrap. But I have that. Okay. I also have these film strips, and I'll show you, I already did this, but I'll do it again, show you how I'm going to use the ephemera and what my plan is. But I have these 3 film strips. I have these 2 rulers. I believe I got this die from Temu. This is from Amazon. Okay, and then I have, this is also from Amazon, it's KS Craft, and so is this. These, every die that I am using is linked in my Amazon storefront, which is linked down below in the description box. I do get a little cut of the money. It's really not much and it doesn't cost you any extra, and it's literal pennies. Like it's like nothing. And here's the cows. I'm using these. This was from an SVG from Marjorie Designs. I got them on eBay. She has her own website, but I will link it down below. This came with the barn, or my shed, I should say. The one I'm using as a shed. It's a barn, but I'm using it as a shed, and this came with it. It came with a farmer, a chicken, a duck, a sheep, a cow, a pig, a tree, hills, a sun. It might have come with other stuff, but I don't remember. And it was very inexpensive. But I was saying, and when I was saying, and I didn't realize I wasn't recording, I inked this one, but I didn't ink this one. And look at the little bit of difference it makes. It does make the slightest difference. And then I used white gel pen, but I used walnut stain from Tim Holtz, walnut stain for the brown, worn lipstick for the pink was the colors I used for that. And then I have these 2 duckies. Look at the duckies. The duckies are so cute. I saw Ginger from, God, what's her channel name? I don't remember. She does scrapbooking and she does ephemera and stuff like that. I will, if I remember, I'll link her channel down below. But I saw her doing this on a short, and I was like, you need to tell me where this is from. This is also from Marjorie Designs. This one is umbrella. Something umbrella. It's raining and has umbrellas. Obviously there's no umbrella here, but I inked this one with Wild Honey and Mermaid Lagoon for the blue. The blue is a textured paper. The yellow is just the yellow, but aren't these cute? And then once again, I used my white gel pen for accents to give it more. But aren't these freaking cute? So my plan for ephemera to me is what you decorate with. Okay, so my plan is, like, if I've watched movies or read a lot of books, I can use this and put the pictures inside the film strip, which would be really cute. Or I could put this down like this. It fits almost the whole way. How funny is that? And then just add my journaling cards on top of it. Okay. Take those out. I was saying, and before I was so rudely realized I was paused, like how cute is that? Look how cute that is. So I could put this right here or even up here on this page. This is I did make this into a pocket so I could put my journaling tags, cards in there if I needed to. But like, look how cute. Even on the back side, look how cute that would be. And then any of my pictures or anything I had all around it. How adorable. Or I could use this down here and add it in with my journaling cards as extra little filler if I don't have a lot of journaling cards on this day. And then of course the egg. The egg I could even, you know, journal on if I really wanted to. It's very much. Very much. So I also said that I am using cows and clipboards and eggs and ducks as tags. Okay. But I'm going to do it different. I'm going to punch the holes, do the ribbon, go do the whole 9 yards. And then to me, that's like, and then you can journal on the back. To me, that's like a little bit different than using it as ephemera. I mean, I don't know how different it is, but it's still different. So I want some as tags, one as just regular ephemera. So that is my plan. That's that right there. And yeah, so that is all for this is the 3rd day, so the 12th of March, if I did my dates right. You should be seeing this on the 12th of March. And that is all I have for today and all of the ephemera. I was going to put these together on camera because I still have one more of each to put together, but it was so much to put together. Like every black spot here is separate and there's so many layers. Like this is a layer, this is a layer, this is a layer, this is a layer. Like it's so many pieces, and then having to ink everything, it's kind of a pain. So I'm going to do that off camera. Okay, so stay tuned for our next video on the 14th. We're going to make tags to match our theme. So you guys, you need to make your ephemera to match your theme in this video, and then in the next video get together, we'll make tags. And I may actually make a whole bunch of different tags. I don't know yet. We'll see. But I do know I have this, this, and this as tags yet to make. All right. Thank you so much for joining me today. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, hit the like button, subscribe, and as always, the entire playlist for March Make a Journal 2026 will be down below in the description box. I will see you guys in the next crafty video. Have a great rest of your day.